afternoon to you all. And I have told you about a small test. Now, do you remember Atul KK?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's start that. Arjun, turn on your video. So I'll send you the link here. Here you go. Just a moment. Have you got the link, Alvin?
Yes, ma'am.
For each question. Still mistakes in network interface card question.
mistake. Wrote this as fiber optic cable. Oh my god, see that is a copper wire.
Everyone back to the Zoom window. I have shared the screen. You can see your scores.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
the result, ma'am?
Hmm?
The result.
Result. I'm downloading it. Coming in Excel. Total funds. Let me see. These are the scores. So Aditya Raj, congratulations. Adul KK, Achit Bhai, Gauri, Srihari. Small, difference in timing. 93%, right? Yes, Achit?
I can't see the screen.
Huh?
I can't see the screen.
Okay. Now, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the scores. Krishna, what happened? Or you did not attempt the questions?
Ma'am, it was showing unable to connect and try.
It's okay. These are separate scores of individual participants. Okay. What the things are there? If you want, I can send you this particular Excel as PDF format so that you'll understand which all place you made mistakes. So this is, you can do it as a proper, question paper. And this case, you were able to see the correct answer. Am I right? Achut,
Ma'am,
you were able to see the correct answer, right? After each
yeah.
attempting after, I can disable it so that I can conduct it as a proper test and also possible.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what does NIC stands for?
network interface card. It's not controller. I saw many answers as control. Now, network interface card. If network interface unit is given, then that also you can select. Okay, Shivani, things are changed. You need to turn on your video. I won't give you attendance if you turn off the video. Okay. Now, the next topic is wireless protocols. Wireless protocols. Wireless protocols in mobile systems you are studying. Mobile systems. proper heading is that is the last topic in this particular chapter. For free remote protocol, telnet we have seen. Yes. This is the heading, wireless technologies, wireless mobile communication protocols. You see the picture? This is something, it is IoT, right? IoT. Internet of Things. This one is IoT. So you can control anything nowadays using your mobile phones. IoT uses a different types of protocols, and WhatsApp uses a different types of protocols. But here you are studying a basic protocols, which is common, which is a common standard. Inside the common standard, we have lots of other protocols, but you are studying only the common standards. And what is multiplex? What's a multiplex, Adityaraj? Have you heard the term multiplex?
I don't know.
Anyone? That building is a multiplex. Usually say that. What is that?
More than one screen.
More than one?
Screen.
More than one?
Ma'am, in the theater center they say that.
That is multiplex, more than one show. I mean, no, separate. There will be one place where you can see one particular movie, and next place, another movie, next place, but in the same theater. So that, then we'll call it as a multiplex theater. Here, the same way, mobile communication protocols use multiplexing to send information. So what can be multiplex? Method to combine multiple digital analog signals into one signal. Actually, there is only one data channel. So through that single data channel, what will be done? The analog and digital signals are combined. Then we call it as multiplexing. Then how it is possible in a multiplex theater? The single theater, multiplex, different movies are played. How it is possible? Atul?
Ma'am, the signal will be sent into the different screens.
Yes, different screens from the satellite. Yes, satellite, different signals in different places. So one signal, that frequency will be different, which is receiving one movie, and the other signal will be different. So that is possible only if you get all these signals, but everything coming into the same theaters. The same way, here there are a different methods to do this multiplexing. The first method is CDMA. FDMA. TDMA.
TDMA is code division multiplexing. FDMA, frequency division. TD, time division.
So I'll show you this.
TDMA, code division multiple access.
Just a moment. Show you another slide for the CDMA. So just write down. There are three methods. One is frequency division.
Another one is TD, then CD. FD, TD, CD. Then here in this method, FD, frequency division multiplexing, what we do is
Each user, suppose many users are there, each user is assigned a frequency. So suppose this is the spectrum in electromagnetic spectrum. That complete, not electromagnetic spectrum. From the allowed frequency spectrum, each user is getting a different frequency. So that means frequency is divided and given. That is why it is called as frequency division. What is time division? Time slot is given to each user. That is why it is called time division. Code division, each user is getting a code
through which they are accessing the signal.
Actually, this is a kind of topic which is a very vast topic, but you just have to study only a little bit of this. So we need to note down all these things. That is, one is the receiver has a unique key. That is a specialty of code division. Unique key or unique code. In time, multiple slots and each time slot is designed to a
Different users, different user, time slot. FD means frequency is divided. Each user will get a frequency.
So you just study these points. That is,
What is multiplexing? What are the different types of multiplexing? If the question is asked about frequency division multiplexing, you can just write down a single sentence like this is the thing. TDM, time division multiplexing, timers divided. CDM, code division multiplexing. And which signal mobile devices are using? Which signal, Achyut? What kind of signal?
Microwave.
No, radio waves. Radio waves. Mobile systems are using radio waves for data transfer. These kinds of technologies will come. Like something related to electronics and communication. When you study it in for BTech, we'll come to know more about this. Then next comes the general protocol, which is used. This is a standard in the mobile phones, is GSM. It uses time division. The full form is Global System for Mobile Communications. That is the standard, except in US. United States of America is following a different protocol. The rest of the countries are following GSM.
What do they do?
They are using a different kind of protocol. That is why their systems are not compatible with our systems when you get the phone. See the last, the difference is that they use a different kinds of frequency. Frequency is different. They use 1900 megahertz frequency. But rest of the international standard is 900 megahertz to 1800 megahertz.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'll be using the eating room.
And what is this? Every SIM card has a unique identification number that you know, SIM card identification number. So you can write you don't have to study again much about it. The question is asked, you can write, mainly the question will be expand the term GSM. Then what kind of technology it is using? TDMA, time division multiple access. A stands for access, time division. Sometimes we will say time division multiplexing or time division multiple access. Both are same. If simply the expansion as TDM only, then you can write the answer as time division multiplexing. If the expansion is as like what is TDMA, then you can write time division multiple access. The same way CDMA and FDMA. Then you can write the answer as GSM handset with a SIM. What is the full form of SIM? Subscriber Identity Module. SIM card. Then every SIM card has a unique identification number. That's it. Then you can write it uses TDMA. As a theory question, you will get only 2 marks for your examination. So that way you can use. See, you can browse in it. At the same time, you can use your Bluetooth. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what it is given here. PDA, pager, cell phone. Many things can be used at the same time. How it is possible? You are thinking that it is done simultaneously, but it is using time division multiple access. Time slots are given, but you won't be able to recognize the time slots. If your mobile phone is connected to a Bluetooth device and you're hearing some music, that Bluetooth device is getting, the connection is, time slot is given. If you're browsing net at the same time slot is given. So if you open many things in that way, you can see a delay in that accessing. Sometimes it will say unable to connect, something like that. So maximum it is, the time slots is maximum 8. 8 time slots can be done very smoothly. Okay. So global system for mobile communication. Generator in 1982. Launched for public in 1991. Spread over all over the world, 70% of people use, and variety of mobiles are available, good voice quality, etc., etc., etc. Then next one is WLL. Last year until they asked the question, what does WLL? I mean, they expand the term. Wireless local loop. Wireless local loop. These topics are very, very important, Arjun. Very, very important in the sense, expand the terms. That will be a main question. So you will get 2-mark question. Expand the term. 4 words will be there. 4 abbreviations. Okay. What is WLL, Arjun?
Wireless local loop.
Okay. So see the picture. A local telephone service that can be provided in homes or offices with a wireless technology. We can see that some codeless phone, that kind of technology it uses. But it is more than that. A codeless phones, and it comes under PAN, personal area network. Here, there will be a tower, but that will be local tower. And locally, the connections are established. That's why to a car, to another phone, to a laptop. That is again another kind of a protocol, a wireless local loop. And the connection will be to a local exchange. Normally, with the help of the land phone cable, they do this. Normally, a land phone connection, we usually will get as a wired connection. Am I right? Here, the technology changed. A land phone through a wireless connection. That's a specialty of WLL. A station and few handsets. This station, this yellow color, you can see the station, a tower-like thing, a station, and few handsets will be given. Through that handsets, you can communicate. And here, all the places, you need an antenna to connect. So you just write this. If the question is asked, what is WLL? It stands for wireless local loop. It is a wireless local telephone service that can be provided in homes or offices. That's all you need to study. Right. Next one is GPRS. All these terms you have heard before. Am I right, Emmanuel? Have you heard about GPS? GPS.
Yes, ma'am.
In that way, here GPRS. What is it? It stands for General Packet Radio Services. Again, it is used in mobile communication protocol used by 2G and 3G mobile telephony.
So we no longer use it, right?
We don't have to.
So we don't use it nowadays, right?
Nowadays, the mainly we use GP, GSM we use as a standard. Again, GPRS retro see links connection. WhatsApp is using another protocol that is XMPP protocol. You know how to study in your syllabus. I just told you. XMPP protocol. Then we have just find out what are the different protocol used by different systems. I mean apps. They have a tie-up with Facebook, right? WhatsApp. So they use this particular Facebook. With the help of Facebook, it is working. Then it creates an account using one phone number. That's why you are asked to register with a phone number when you install WhatsApp app, isn't it? You need to give your phone number. So with that phone number, they create an account in one site, that is s.whatsapp.net. In that site, they create an account for you, and they use this particular XMPP protocol. It's an open source protocol, just used by WhatsApp. The same way Telegram is using a different kind of protocol. So basically, these are the standard protocols. Under the standard protocols, based on the applications are using different types of protocols. And these protocols mainly provided by some consortium, some foundations are there. IEEE Foundation, and then we have ISO Standard Foundation, then W3 Consortium. So many organizations are there who are creating these protocols. Okay, the rest we'll see the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.